Welcome guys, I am Dev Trend, and today I will show you guys how easy it is to map filters as toggle switches to your MIDI controller with the OBS Midi plugin 3.66. You can also use my previous videos for installing references. Please consider subscribing. And now on to the video. Step 1. Adding filters to be map. Next, click on a source you want to add a filter to. For example, I have added the color correction filter to my video image. Hopefully, in a future update, we will be able to map the parameters of those filters. Next, close the filter menu and click on Tools. And click OBS Midi Settings. Select your device. Then click Configure. In here, click Listen 1. Then press the button you want to map on your MIDI device. Next, head over to the Action menu and select Toggle Source Filter. And also select the corresponding scene, source, and filter. Next, click Adding to Mapping. Now let's test it. Now let's map the rotary encoder, this guy right here, to the video scaling. To do this, the method is the same as step 1 as follows. Now go all the way back to the OBS Midi settings. Only this time under the Action menu, select Set Source Scale. And select your scene and source. No need to adjust the X and Y parameters. And click Adding to Mapping. And you're all done. That's pretty neat in my book. I think these features are a game changer to the software. You can visit the links in the description to the plugin in my references videos. Until next time guys, thanks for watching, and be safe.